Hello everyone, so we're going to do a double crochet stitch next. So start with your slip knot. We're going to chain 8, so 1, and 8. So after chaining 8, you want to hold on to the last chain. We're going to chain 2, 1, 2. We're going to yarn over, insert it where you had your finger, pick the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So the first chain 2 is going to be your first double crochet, and then this will be your second double crochet. So let's do the next one. We're going to yarn over, insert, pick the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So yarn over, insert, grab your yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. The next one, yarn over, insert, pull, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is how to do double crochet. So in order to add on to your project, you're going to chain 2 and make sure the chain is a little loose. You don't want to make it too tight. So chain 1, chain 2, you're going to flip the work over. So this will be our first double crochet, and then we're going to insert the needle here. Okay, so yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so we want to count what we have at the on our first stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so we want to make sure the top matches the down. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this will be our 9th. You're going to yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then we're going to do the same thing. Chain 2, don't make it too tight, turn it around, yarn over, insert, pull through 2, pull through 2. you want to make sure you go through this and this, okay? And then pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is how you build your work. When you're done and you stretch it, it's going to be a square. Okay, so we're going to do this again for the last time. Chain 2.